have an SUV with a rear-facing car seat installed in the center position using borrowed lower anchors. The vehicle owner's manual shows that only the outboard seating positions have latch systems when it is a fixed bench seat. In a list of frequently asked questions about installing car seats with latch, the owner's manual says the following for the fixed second row seat. Question: can a child seat be installed in the center position using the inner latch lower anchorages from the outboard seating positions? Answer: yes. You can install child restraints with flexible lower anchors in the center position. The inner anchorages are 18 inches apart. So in this vehicle, the manufacturer allows borrowing the lower anchors. But we are not done just yet. The next step is to review the car seat instruction manual to see if the car seat is allowed to be installed with borrowed anchors. In the instruction manual for this car seat, it says, "This child restraint base is designed to be used with lower latch anchors at the standard spacing, 11 inches only." Since the car seat instruction manual forbids using lower anchors that are not at the standard spacing, in this case borrowing is not allowed. The seat belt must be used for the center position. Finally, what if a different car seat is used in the same SUV? We already know that borrowing lower anchors is allowed, so we need to check the car seat instruction manual. This time, the car seat instruction manual states, if allowed by your vehicle owner's manual, the center seating position may be used if the anchor spacing is 11 inches or greater. So in this case, both the vehicle owner's manual and the car seat instruction manual permit using borrowed lower anchors that are more than 11 inches apart. Now, since the lower anchors are spaced at 18 inches apart in this vehicle, it's important to check that the car seat can be installed tightly. Otherwise, it may still be preferred to install the car seat using the vehicle seat belt in the center position. Some car seats may allow non-standard spacing, but only up to a certain distance.